coming in after months of political turmoil in the state of Rajasthan. The assembly session has finally begun today. The session started this morning for a short duration but has been adjourned till 1 p.m. at this point in time. Vasundhara Raje, Sachin Pilot were all in attendance as the session began. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot posted on Twitter, and I quote, "As the Legislative Assembly session begins today, it would be the victory of the people of Rajasthan and the unity of our Congress MLAs. It would be the victory of truth." End of quote. Those are the details coming in as far as the Rajasthan issue is concerned. This is the Remember, there has been a lot of political turmoil in Rajasthan over the last month. A bitter face-off between the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister at that point in time, Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot. But now both have buried the hatchet. In fact, Sachin Pilot attended the party meet yesterday as well at Ashok Gehlot's house. And both of them were seen shaking hands and smiling for the cameras as well. So the hatchet clearly seems to be buried at this point in time, and issues are on the way to resolving themselves. But Meenakshi joining us on the phone line. Meenakshi, what's the latest that you can tell us? Of course, the session has been adjourned until 1 p.m. at this point.
Well, Avni, yes, it will be something which will be hugely interesting given the fact that yesterday we saw this united front which was presented by the Congress party. And just a short while back, Chief Minister Rajasthan Ashok Gehlot also put out a tweet saying
All right,
that...
we're going to try and reconnect with Meenakshi. All right, yes, Meenakshi, please go ahead.
As we were bringing to our viewers that this will be a hugely interesting session, given the fact that, remember, it was the fourth time that the governor had given the sanction for the special session to be convened. Of course, that time, Chief Minister and the former Deputy Chief Minister Rajasthan both were sparring. But yesterday, they presented a joint front. And just a short while back, Chief Minister Rajasthan Ashok Gehlot also put out a tweet in the public domain saying as to how this will be a victory of the people of Rajasthan. It will also be a victory of the united front of the Congress in Rajasthan. So clearly, while the BJP is intending to bring no confidence motion, remember, Congress will try to trump that by bringing its own confidence motion, which Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot at this point in time is very secure of having all the numbers on the floors of the House. And yesterday we saw that play out when, for the first time, we had seen the visuals of both the disputing men, Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and former Deputy Chief Minister Sachin Pilot, shake hands, smile, exchange smiles, and also have the first collective joint photo of Avni after the dispute. So it is going to be hugely interesting to see how Congress manages to table the confidence motion. And of course, we know at this juncture, they're not insecure as far as the numbers on the floor of the House go. But clearly, the optics of it, Avni, will be interesting to watch.
Yes, absolutely, Meenakshi. That indeed it would be interesting to watch out for as to how all of this now progresses, the special assembly session. But stay with us. We've got more breaking news coming in.